Here's how to think about successful digital marketing, especially if you are a professional service provider who wants to generate leads, appointments, and sales at a profit via social media advertising. Okay, this is my favorite analogy. I use it all the time, and I'm going to use it forever and a day. It's just taking those natural in-person interactions you have with friends and referrals to your business and just digitizing it. Here's what I mean. How do you find business now? You get talking with a stranger. It could be a line at Starbucks, could be at a friend's barbecue, your kid's soccer game, whatever. And obviously everybody always asks, hey, what do you do? I do this. Oh, that's interesting. So-and-so just did that. Or I was thinking about that. Hey, can you tell me what's the difference between this and that, right? Okay. So from that very just kind of innocent back and forth, with normal everyday people asking what you do and then getting curious and asking questions. How does that translate online? That translate online with quick little content pieces like this, or your advertising saying, hey, here's a guide on how to buy X without getting ripped off. Okay. So should somebody say, hey, see your ad and say, I want that guide about how to buy X without getting ripped off. That's the equivalent of somebody saying, hey, do you have a card? Maybe, I'd like to learn more. Okay. And the online equivalent of giving your card is them subscribing to get the free thing with name, email, maybe phone number, right? Depends. It's case dependent. The second step, of course, is them reaching out and saying, hey, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? I have very specific questions about my very specific thing. And you might talk to them over the phone a little bit and be like, yeah, this sounds good. Hey, tell you what, let's meet in person. And you tell them, great, with the information you just gave me, let me do some poking around, see what option is likely going to work best for you. And then we'll meet up and talk about it, right? You can do that online too. When somebody opts in for the free thing and gives you their contact information, the very next thing they should see is, hey, how about we take all this knowledge and do a customized assessment for you, quick 15, 30 minutes over the phone or Zoom or Skype or whatever. Absolutely free. Here's my calendar below. Book a time, right? Some people will do that right away. Some people will want to read the free thing and receive automated follow-up messages, giving them more value, teaching them more stuff, not being obnoxious and salesy, but value-driven. And then they'll book that appointment, right? So this is what I mean, is you take the normal everyday interactions that you have with friends, families, and referrals, and you digitize it. And when you digitize it, it gives you the ability, of course, to pay for advertising and put it in front of more people. That scales a lot more easily than you speaking to them one-on-one. And it also automates the process of follow-up, value adding and building that trust by providing more helpful information, booking them into a calendar where you can begin the relationship, have that first conversation, and move them towards a buying relationship. Okay. And that's it. You don't really have to think of online advertising any more complicated than that. All right. Hope that's helpful. Like and follow for more.